Hey guys, it's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I've got these. This is the P9. We're going to do an unboxing and first impressions. Now these are a knockoff of Apple's Airpods Max, and these are called the P9Max, which is pretty much copying them. And as you can see, the design wise is basically the same. Now I got these for £5, which is a really good price. I think I should have actually gotten a different color, but I went with the green ones. Now I'll be happy with these if and I didn't buy them for myself, but I'll be happy with these if they're decent, because for £5 I don't really expect anything, to be honest with you. Now on the front it does say it has a 50mm driver, which I doubt. It also says it supports AAC, which is normal, but let's go ahead and take them out of the box. Oops. Ooh, wow. Whoa! They look alright actually. You got the power on, the power off pairing. You got the instructions here. Let's go ahead and check them out. You've got a micro USB cable, so these are not Type C. They're very light. They're built out of plastic, which is typical. We expect that, but to this extent. Yeah, look at that. Copying everything, but it's not obviously not as good. Let's test out the comfort. They've got a very nice grip. Let's go ahead and feel like I'm gonna break these. Wow, they're very light, and that makes them comfortable. And they've got controls over here. I'm not gonna be able to show you them, but they've got a I think it's got a micro SD card slot, and it's got a headphone jack. So I'm assuming you can use these wired. That's actually pretty cool. That I might actually use these wired. I don't know. I think they might be better than the other ones I have. I've got some weird ones for £3, which are actually very nice. They go flat as well. Let's go ahead and I don't know which one's right and which one's left. Now I did get some other ones which are called the P47s. They're just back there. They're mono, and I don't like them because of that. Hopefully these ones are not mono. I don't know if they've got a charge. Let's try turning one.
Power on.
Yeah, I think they're mono, but I don't know. Let's check it out. Bluetooth mode. P9. Oh, so they're not the P9Max. They're just the P9. Yep. 90% battery. Oh, I think they're exactly the same as the other ones. They just got a different design on them. Yeah, they're mono. Yeah, I think these are mono as well. So I'm not very. £5. Was I expecting? I don't know. I guess so. I mean for £5, honestly, they're fine. Yeah, they're mono, definitely mono. Right, this is all just mono stuff over here. They got nice space. For sound wise, they're pretty nice. It's pretty normal. You'd kind of expect this kind of stuff, but and for £5, they're pretty nice. The sound is okay. But yeah, it is mono. I don't really like the mono ones, but yeah, I like the design on them. It's got a forward and backwards and the pause and play button. But yeah, if you're gonna spend £10, then I don't recommend them unless there isn't anything else you can get. I don't know if they make headphones, if there are any headphones out there, wireless ones that are stereo for about £5 or like £10, because these are mono. The other ones are mono as well. They sound very similar, but I think for £5 they're not bad. They're actually pretty nice. I like them. They're very cheap and very light as well. What I don't understand one thing. How on earth do you manage to make these mono if you've got two speakers in them? Right, I'll see you guys in another video.